In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jobber account. If you're looking to cancel your Jobber subscription and close your account altogether, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can follow along smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're switching services or just taking a break, closing your Jobber account is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First things first. You need to open your preferred web browser and search for Jobber. This is the starting point to access your account. Once you've found your way to the Jobber website, the next step is to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If, for some reason, you need to sign up, make sure you follow the registration process to gain access to the system. Once you're logged in, you're ready to proceed to the settings. Within the Jobber interface, head over to the Settings section. This is where you'll find various options related to your account preferences and billing information. Specifically, you'll want to look for the Account and Billing section. This part of the settings menu is crucial as it houses the option to cancel your subscription. You'll be searching for a section labeled Cancel Your Subscription. This indicates the start of the process for removing any recurring charges from your account. Now, if you're looking to go a step further and close your Jobber account permanently, you'll need to navigate to the Profile section. This is slightly different from the Account and Billing section, as it involves the complete closure of your user profile, not just the cancellation of paid services. Within the Profile section, there should be an option labeled Close Account. By tapping on this, you're initiating the final steps in permanently deleting your account. But sometimes, you might find that the Close Account option isn't available. This can be due to various reasons, like pending transactions or specific account obligations. If this happens, don't worry. You can reach out to Jobber's customer support team for assistance. They're equipped to guide you through any roadblocks and ensure your account is closed according to your preferences. In summary, deleting your Jobber account involves accessing your account via a web browser, navigating through the settings and account options, and finally, either using the available online options or reaching out to customer support for help. Remember, if you're tentative about closing your account, it might be beneficial to reach out to support first to clarify any doubts or explore options that might suit your needs better. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you through the process. If you have any further questions or need more guidance, feel free to consult Jobber's online resources or contact their support team for assistance.